Ooh, we hiking. Ooh, we hiking. Ooh, we hiking. Oh, we're going on a trail run or is it a hike?
No, we used to go on a trail run together.
Type shit,
That's
type
why
shit,
she's
type
up
shit.
there running. You got it. Aye, aye, Captain.
What it is?
What it ain't?
It's your boy Debo, man.
And it's your girl Pay.
You feel me? And we are back at it with yet another video, man. You did what we saying. Boy, we walking in the country, man.
We're walking dead in the woods. It's not because you're walking dead in the woods.
Man, we in the country, man. Y'all know me, I'm a city boy. City boy, what? City boy. And we out here, man. We walking the trails and jump, man. You feel me? Let eesh off that drink. But we out here, man. We got the little kid with us. We got the mama with us. She got that switch in her hand. It's okay. You ain't gotta be scared. They done did that before. Say what's up, Ari. Better watch where you going.
Don't fall.
Before you turn around and get wow, wow. Hey, Rach, what you gotta say to the camera, man? It's my dog Rachel, man. Tell them what it is.
What's up?
What's up?
We're about to go see a waterfall.
Type shit.
She's about to be grand.
Type thing. Ooh, we lit, baby. Now, before this video even start, man, I need y'all to leave a comment. I need y'all to like this video. And now you gotta make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. If you ain't subscribe to the channel, man, what you doing, bro? You tripping, bro. I ain't gonna lie. You tripping like a mug. And then, you know I'm on this bit. So you gotta bring a... You did what I'm saying. And then we out of there. Glee.
Dang, man. Let me find out if I got my phone in here.
What do you need your phone?
Oh, I want to record. Damn well. Damn well I get it. It's hot.
You hot, fam?
I'm not hot. I am hot a little bit. I'm too home.
Why is it working?
What you trying to do? Put some vibes on?
Yeah.
Yo, this is so fire, y'all. I ain't even gonna cap, bro. Like, that shit right there, if y'all could just see, if y'all was here, y'all understand how deep that shit is right there, fam. Aria, you better pay attention before you fall and hurt yourself. Cause that ain't no regular hurt, gang. That's a different type of hurt right there, my boy. We ain't gonna say that part though. We're gonna keep that off camera, out of the atmosphere. This shit, bro, y'all not understanding how cool this is, bro. And I'm pretty sure, like, at one point in time, there's probably like a coyote sitting right here or like up there. You feel me? Hey, y'all heard me? I'm pretty sure, like, one point in time, there's like a coyote or like a bobcat or something sitting on top of one of these rocks.
Shut the fuck up, my nigga. Real shit, though. What are you talking about? You trying to drop knowledge. What are you talking?
Oh, bro, we are really up here. Bro, on everything I love, I got the hardest crocs in the city, man. Y'all cannot tell me different.
It's cold down there too. I can get a waterfall now.
Woo! Look at that nature, y'all. Look at nature, man. Boom! Big rock behind me, man. So much shade back here, gang. Hey, gang. Hey, gang. It's so much shade back here, gang. I ain't even tripping about it. You feel what I'm saying? Boy, oh shit, man, I drank by the fall. Dang. Y'all stay, man. Y'all stay with me, bro. Cause tell man, Debo a little messed up. You did what I'm. Anyway, gang, we're gonna get back to y'all when we get to the little spot over there. Oh, I broke my cup. I broke my cup. I broke my cup, y'all. My shit leaking.
Come on, Debo.
I'm coming. Little one. Hey, man. Hey, man. Hey, man. We going far, man. You know, I ain't running country. I ain't built like this, man. I don't be in the wood for real. Y'all look at that right there, man. What y'all seeing out here like this, man? How she get all the way down there?
Right?
Whoa.
What's up, y'all? The water cold? Yeah, it's cold. Man, they talking about the water cold, man. I told y'all when I got here to Silver I was not getting in, man.
What's the YouTube channel?
It might be one of those days, you feel me? I got 2 of them, fam. I got a couple channels on my own channel. Strap.
Yeah, let me write them down.
Put them both in. Are you in the water? You got in the water?
I need to go to the bathroom.
You gotta go to the bathroom? Go, you better go in the water and go pee.
Okay.
Go in the water and go pee.
That's terrible.
Just go, Aria. Just swim around and pee. What you gotta say, Mom? It's one of those. Babe, what you gotta say towards that one?
It's running downstream.
Hey, yo! She done use the bathroom, yo. I'm definitely not getting there now. They probably use the bathroom too, messing around. Look at Buddy over there. I know they use the bathroom. Look how he's sitting. Look how Buddy over there sitting, y'all. That bit look photo. That bit is so hard. Y'all.
Go back over here. I want to take a picture.
I'm about to really like bust my butt though. So they got the water that come over here. They come up like down here. So you see where it come up over here? Oh, that's running downstream, y'all. That's running downstream going right there. Boom. Then that bit coming down right here. And they got a little pond area down there where the people can play. You jump like that, you feel what I'm saying? So it's really vibes like she did, but y'all can't see everything the whole day. Cause your boy Debo about to get turned, you dig what I'm saying? So when I tap in again, just know that I'm lit. Cause if I ain't lit, then I'm tripping, you did. They stinging? I ain't messing with them. I'm allergic to bees and wasps. Ain't it? They ain't got no vibes out here. Gang, we should have brought that speaker. They ain't got no vibes, man. This is in junk.
That's my baby.
What a mama does, man. I'm hot. Dang. I'm sorry, but I'm hot. And it's like, I'm a little tipsy, so you know, already know I'm getting now. Where we going? What's down there? Any shit down there?
Maybe it's back up on the trailhead and like another. Wait.
Say we gotta walk around?
No, I don't know. I don't know what should I do about this. I have no idea like this.
Oh, okay.
Right, Femi?
We're hiking with the kid, bro.
What?
What?
Trying to zoom in.
Yep.
See, nobody wants to help Debo. Debo gotta get over there. Debo gotta get over that shit by himself, you feel what I'm saying? Y'all wanna help me.
Bruh. I'm gonna put my phone away just in case my ass.
Type shit. Oh boy, I almost fell, boy. I don't know about it.
We're gonna have to make it all the way back up.
I don't know about this.
We can't get it.
Baby, I think you gotta walk back up from this. Hell yeah. But you gotta go down, I feel like you gotta go down all this. Go down there and then walk back up. I don't feel like that, I don't think there's a trail around. Hey, excuse me, is there a trail over there? Is there a trail over there? So it stops over there, we gotta walk back up? We gotta go back this way, right? We have to go back this way, right? Told you. You all right? Let's walk up there though. All right. I'm gonna go this way so I don't get. Oh my gosh, baby, baby. You okay? You okay? I'm trying to make sure my old lady good. Fuck all the extra shit. She got her butt cheek wet, man.
Got my ass wet.
Your butt cheek wet, baby? She said, yeah.
Hell no. You.
Come on, baby girl. You need to come around this way like I just did. She said, fall where I fell. No, nigga. Just watch where you fell and don't fall again. Your whole booty cheek wet. I seen it.
What? Grab my ass. Grab my ass.
So know what I'm about to record. Ah, cheek wet. Ooh, boy, I hope I don't fall, boy. God don't like ugly. Oh shit. Told you God don't like ugly. There's one behind you too.
Yeah, she's the easy one. He can be
How you doing, doggy? Oh, is it okay for the camera?
Hi.
Cool.
Hi.
Where's it gonna be?
It's on YouTube. We got a YouTube channel. Y'all gotta subscribe.
Hi, buddy.
Hi, doggy. Look how the dog look, man. They fine. About to go in a little water hole and chill. Yeah. Her cheeks, what she talking about something? You got what in your bag? We leave from over there, y'all. Go back to the next little point. You feel me? Next little point. Man, I freaking got bit by a cricket, man. I got bit by some freaking crickets. How that work? Crickets ain't playing no game. That bitch felt like a skeeter. Whew.
Bro, those are chunky ass steps. Bruh.
Hang on, I'm a little tired too, gang. Don't get it twisted.
Now.
Shoot, I don't know. By the way.
I didn't even know it had a symbol.
Where you got a boo-boo at? Let me see. You got a boo-boo?
I didn't know
It hurt? Cause you fell.
I didn't know. Can I take my shoes off?
No.
Nope.
You so watery.
No, it's fine. Keep them on now. Alright, what did I just say?
It ain't feel like this many steps when we walking down, huh?
Don't look up.
Fuck.
I'm not looking up.
Boy, don't look down. Bro, oh my gosh, look at those mountains back there, y'all. That's crazy. That's crazy. Man, you know my Florida folk don't be seeing all this. They from Florida, baby. They be out there in the beaches, baby. They need to come out here and see, you feel me? And get some of this not little scenic ride. This not little scenic. So I need to do, oh, they leaving me. Oh shit. Let's go, y'all. Oh. Ooh. 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 Tired, bitch. Already. Damn, y'all, look at that scenic, man. Y'all see out there in the deep. This mountain's back there too, fam. Look. Can't really tell for real, but that right there, that's a mountain. No cap. No rap cap, y'all. Look. Mountain, fam. This ain't no ocean out here, Jit. That's a mountain, man. Straight country. Straight woods. Straight wrong turn. Straight final destination. Straight, I'm not gonna be out here too long. Straight, cause I'm black, you hear me? Hello.
Start doing, fam. Making videos of me driving through this bitch. Driving through North Carolina and shit, these trails and shit. Like these paths while you big ass hits me, have a camera recording.
We out here at the other trail, y'all. We out here walking, man. That's a nice little spot, man. They got a little couple places you can sit and eat. Now they got grills out here. Filming another little trail. Aria, what are you talking about? Her mama told her not to touch nothing that's poison, or not to walk around everywhere because of poison ivy. Poison ivy is not out here, fam. She's talking about poison ivy out here.
Yes, it is.
I believe it. I don't believe it.
You do not know what you're talking about.
I don't.
Obviously.
Y'all have poison ivy out in
Yes, dude.
NC like that?
We're out in the country, remember?
That's how you feel? Huh? That's how you feel?
Hey, boy, you ain't used to this shit.
I'm not.
Yeah. Look at you out of breath.
I am.
All I hear.
My head's about to slip. Don't let me down. Please. Thank you.
She said thank you.
Come on. Come on.
Come on.
What? Wait, what are you doing?
Sit in the vlog. Go where your mommy went. Nah, come on. Come with me. Come with me. Come with me.
Why?
Hold on. I got you too. You gonna drop you down just like that? That's what you gotta go to the gym for, y'all boys. Y'all boys got to go to the gym for this, boy. Whew. Helping the little ones out, man. Got to make sure y'all do it, boy. Little one.
What?
Hold on. Come on.
No. No.
Stand up there.
Okay. Come on. Woo.
This is a little baby waterfall, this one, y'all, but it's still nice, though. Right? You got water in your shoes?
Cute, watch her.
What, you want to come now? Walk that way. Ah, Aria, go that way.
Aria.
Go that way.
No.
You don't get on no rock. It's okay. Yeah, them the vibes, man. Them the vibes, man. And we got this little crazy girl with us on the way, man. But like I said, man, make sure y'all like, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel, man.
No, we are not working in there, but maybe we might.
Be quiet, Scaredy.
It's not a good
Who's scared?
Because we're going down. Maybe we get lost. Where we get lost. What will we get lost?
You should get in the middle. Get in the middle.
I am. I'm going to his place.
Want to get on my back?
No, the other one.
Come on.
I'm tired of walking.
I know. Come on.
Better fall.
Better hold on, all right?
I think I'm going to fall.
You said what?
I'm going to fall.
You're not. I got you, gang.